So in the last session, we started. I request everyone to please be on mute. So in the last session, we started a new batch on basic Java package. So where you are going to get core Java, advanced Java, which includes JDBC, servlets, JSP, and UI technologies as Oracle. And also one mini project we are going to cover as a part of this course. The, the duration is nothing but we have 4 months duration, 4 months duration, and it is a normal track. It is a normal track every day from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. we have the sessions, and it is only on weekdays. Okay, from Monday to Friday, these classes will be there, and the fees for this batch is nothing but 12,000. Okay, and there are two courses are there here. The first course is nothing but core Java. So by paying core Java. And coming to this course two, basic Java package will be there. The fees is nothing but at 12,000. Okay, both the courses are there. The people who willing to continue this basic Java package, you can register by paying 12,000. And the people who needs only core Java, you can register by paying 5,000. Anyway, once Yeah, sorry, there is some small network delay. Sir, now tell me, please confirm, am I audible? There is a small network delay. Can you please confirm, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today just some weather is not good here. So that's why it is going to be disconnected continuously. Okay, please bear. So coming to the HTML, I explained what is syllabus of this HTML. So today we will see the syllabus of another UI technology, which is nothing but CSS. Sir, CSS means what? Cascading, cascading style sheet, cascade sheets. Okay. So by using this CSS, we can prepare a small kind of web page. Okay. But by using this CSS, we can add some extra colors, like some extra graphical things for this HTML. For the HTML web page, we can add some extra colors or extra effects by using this CSS. Now I will show you, of course I'm not going to take any program, but I will show you some important syllabus topics what we are going to cover as a part of the CSS. Sir, first we are going to see introduction to CSS, like what is the CSS, how you are going to use this CSS, what advantages are there, so how to prepare that CSS document, everything we are going to cover here. And after that, some sample CSS implementation. Like if you take one HTML program and you can prepare some kind of style for that, and you can add that style to your HTML program. That part also we are going to cover. So we are taking one sample HTML document. So without adding some styles, how it will be. By adding the styles, how it will be, both I am going to demonstrate. Sir, after that we are going to see some applications of CSS also, like where we are using CSS. So, and what are the various versions of CSS? There are so many versions are there, we are going to see next. And after that, syntax of CSS. Okay, like there will be some properties, there will be some values. Like programming, we have so many tools will be there. So how that syntax is going to work, we are going to demonstrate. After that, so inserting, okay, inserting styles into HTML document, like how you are going to insert styles into HTML document. See, HTML document is different, CSS is different, HTML document is different, CSS is different. For example, consider I developed one web page. Okay, I developed one web page like this. Sir, by using complete HTML, by using complete HTML, I developed this website. Sir, now can I bring CSS? Yes, you can prepare a small document, okay, by using, and you can link this CSS document into this HTML. This kind of facility is there. Okay, so how you are going to include? There are multiple ways will be there. So once if you prepare the styles, you can include that pages to your HTML document. Like how to insert? There are multiple ways are there. We have to see the possible ways and which is best way also we are going to discuss. Sir, after that same like other programming languages, how to insert the comments. Next, there is one concept called CSS selectors. Okay, how to use that? Then so background properties in the sense, sir, I prepared one web page. For that, how to add background color, so how to add an image as a background? Like we are going to see some special properties related to background. Sir, after that, border properties. I think you have seen in the websites and all. Suppose if any text document, even if you take our DurgaSoft website, our basic Java package advertisement is there, but on the top of that you can see one border will be there. So how much thickness you need, so how much wide you need, so how much width and height you have to take, everything will be there. That is called as border properties. What color you need, everything we here. Okay. Next, and after that, font properties. Sir, font properties means what? Like what is the face, so what is the style you need to take, how much size you need to take, is it bold or italic? Like we have so many. Sir, in HTML also we have font tag is there. What is the difference between these two? In HTML, whatever font tag you are using, that is limited. Okay, only few things it will provide support. But if you take CSS, you can able to insert any kind of properties like that we have. Okay, so after that, so after these font properties, we can see even so text properties, like so how to declare a text, how you can able to work with the text, so how you can able to see the flow of control. Okay, like the text direction, how it is going to move from left to right and from right to left. So everything we are going to cover here. And even margin properties. Sir, margin properties means what? How much space you need? For example, if I am developing any web page like this, so in this I want to display a text content here. I want to display a text content here. Sir, if you want to display a text content here, how much space you need? This is called as margin properties. So like, top margin, bottom, left, right, everything will be available here. Next, and after that, padding properties. These are very, very important, sir. At beginning, you don't know about this, but once if I started explaining each and everything, you will get clarity. So padding properties. So next, and after that, height and width properties. Height and width properties we are going to see how to adjust height and width, then how to develop box model. Okay, so next, and after that, how to develop outline model, next, and after that, links. Okay, links will be there, how to add colors to this link, then list styles, in how many ways you can display lists. Okay, so then table properties will be there. Okay, by using these table properties, we are going to develop two projects. One is how to display some employee information or student information on the screen. For this I am going to take one project. So one project I will explain, another project I will give as a task to you, you have to do that. Okay, and one more project, how to prepare a chessboard. Like, chessboard is a 8 by 8 chessboard we are going to prepare, like how to add colors for this. Okay, so that and all we are going to see by using table properties in CSS. So next and after that, sir, positions, like I want to display this text at the bottom or at the top or somewhere else. So how to display for this and all, I'm going to take multiple programs, then only you can understand well. It will be something like very interesting tools, sir. Okay, next and after that, overflow properties. Overflow properties means what? For example, same diagram you can see, sir, here I want to display some text, but the length of the text is full, sir, like this. Sir, up to this it will display, then it will comes to the next line. Okay, this is one property. Sir, without displaying, without wrapping the complete information, it will display. Or up to this, it will display and it will hide this entire thing, and it will insert a scroll bar. If you push this scroll bar, remaining data will come. Like that, multiple properties are there on overflow. So these are nothing but CSS properties, what we are going to see. Sir, minimum 5 projects I'm going to explain on this. So some projects we will use for the main project at the end, and some projects simply we are going to develop to know how that functionality is working. Okay, so these are nothing but the syllabus of CSS. If you are having any queries on this, please let me know. Any queries up to this? Sir, everyone please confirm, please speak. Any questions? Guys, are you there? What happened today? No response.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please speak, remaining persons. Are you new student or already attended these sessions? Please confirm, everyone clear up to this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, now I told we are going to cover one project also. Okay. Sir, one mini project we are going to see and one main project we are going to see. Main project in the sense it is not live project. So we will use all the components, whatever we are going to cover in this basic Java package, and we will develop one executable application. But before that, we are going to see one small mini project. Let us consider that mini project is student marks management system. Man, student marks management system. Okay. In bracket, I am going to use like SMMS. This is the project what we are going to develop. Sir, in multiple phases, I am going to develop this project. What is the first phase is? First phase is, sir, after completion of the core Java. After completion of the core Java, I am going to explain JDBC, right? By using this core Java plus JDBC, I will implement this project. So you can able to see how it is going to execute. Then in the second phase, same core Java must be required. Okay, sir, in core Java, there is one concept with name GUI, means graphical user interface. By using this along with JDBC, I am going to develop. So these two concepts we are going to explain with the help of core Java knowledge. Then next one, sir, we are going to use advanced Java. Okay, core Java as well as advanced Java, core Java plus advanced Java plus we are going to take some UI technologies plus JDBC. Means as a backend, we are going to use some database connectivity. By using this, how to prepare a full-fledged application we are going to see. These are nothing but three phases of our student marks management system project. Sir, in each phase you are going to see why we need to learn this advanced Java, what we are going to get in this advanced Java, how you can interact all these things. But anyway, today I am going to explain two diagrams. One is with the help of core Java and JDBC, how it will be. By including advanced Java, how it will be. Okay, sir, are you clear with the project title? Please confirm. If you are clear, we have some diagrams to display. Sir, clear up to this? Please confirm everyone. If no response, I will wind up the session. Please confirm everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can I start explaining? Please confirm everyone. I
Yes,
need
sir.
the people who are not responding.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
uh, afterwards, the lectures will be conducted by you or Prakash Babu, sir.
Sir, I am Prakash Babu only. Why you have a big doubt? Hmm? Myself,
No, I
Prakash
have
Babu only.
attended your Udemy course. The voice was different. Okay, so
Sir,
that's
I didn't taken any classes in Udemy. That is different. That person is Nagur Babu, sir. Okay.
okay. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. Right. So now I'm going to take one small diagram to explain how this project will be. Okay. Now just have a look once. Multiple diagrams I'm going to take here. See, the first step is I want to develop one core Java application, sir. Okay. What is my first requirement? I want to develop one core Java application. Right. So here, what is this one is nothing but core Java, core Java application. I'm going to develop one core Java application. Sir, in the backend, what will happen? I'm going to use one database, but for this project purpose, I will use both MySQL database as well as Oracle database. But in our syllabus, we have Oracle database is there. So we are going to create one database. Sir, what is this database? So this is nothing but Oracle database. So what is the name of this database? In the sense, student database will be there. Sir, inside that, student table will be there. Okay, inside this, student table will be there with some information. So what is that information? That and all I will explain while doing this project. Okay, you can keep this project in your resume also. Okay, so it is a small mini project, executable code only we will prepare. Like that, sir, we have a student table is there. Now what my core Java application has to do? Sir, it is having three steps. What is the first step in this is, sir, we are going to prepare. Okay, so we are going to prepare, sir, first phase for performing reading student details such as marks and all. Sir, second part is nothing but logical part. So third part is nothing but how you are going to interact with the database. Sir, total how many phases will be there? Three phases. Now observe one by one. I am going to write here documentation. Sir, in the first phase, what you are doing? Sir, very simple, sir. In the first phase, we are going to read student name, sir. We are going to read student name and sir, six subject marks we are going to read based on the validations. Okay, sir, for validation purpose, which concept we are using? We are using regular expressions. Okay, regular expressions. Sir, what are that validations? Boss, if you are reading a student name, it should contain only lowercase characters or uppercase characters, but it should not include any digits. Like that, I will prepare one method for validating the name. If you take 6 subject marks, that marks range should be always from 0 to 100. It should not have less than 0. It should not have greater than 100. Like we are going to do the validation. Okay, sir, after this, so what we are going to do, we will move to the next step. Sir, in the second step, what activity we are going to do? Sir, in second step, it is nothing but, I can say, business logic. We are going to implement business logic. Sir, in this business logic, what we will do? Sir, we will calculate a total. Okay, we will calculate a percentage, and based on this, we will calculate grade. Grade means what? Based on some if conditions. Sir, if the percentage of the student is greater than 70, then grade A. If the percentage is in between so and so limit, sir, grade B. Like that we are going to assign. That is called as business logic. Sir, after implementing the business logic, what is the last phase? The last phase is nothing but, sir, I want to write this information to the database. So write complete information to the database. Sir, after writing this information, sir, we have to display status, like is it successfully written or not. So if you run this application, what will happen? Sir, what is the flow of control here? What is the flow of control here? First, it will read the information. So from that, the control will comes to here. After that, so it is going here. Sir, after that, what will happen? This information is going to be written to database. Sir, in the database already table is there, right? It will write the information into that table. This is nothing but the processor. So once if the core Java is completed, we are going to develop this small application. Sir, any questions? One second. In this application, we are going to use two phases. In this application, we are going to use two phases. What is the first phase? Subphases. What is the first subphase? Sir, in phase one, I am going to use, in the phase one, I am going to use, sir, command prompt. That means system.in, okay, as a input. Sir, in phase two, I am going to develop some GUI application, like by using swings we are going to develop one graphical user interface. So in the backend, coding is the same, but here you have to run from the command prompt, but here you have to run from the GUI screen. Okay, sir, any questions up to this? Please confirm everyone. Please confirm everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, one doubt, sir, please.
Yeah, please. You can ask, sir.
Okay. Sir, where we can utilize this project? I mean, this application which you are creating, right? A core Java application. I mean, the utilization of this project.
Utilization in the sense, sir, very simple, sir. What is your qualification now? What you are doing now? Are you doing any job or you are a student?
Yes, sir. I'm a working employee, having 1 year
Okay.
experience.
Okay, fine, sir. In Java or any other technology?
No, no, sir. I'm a testing background.
Okay, fine. See, first thing, whenever we are learning any concept, immediately what you people are going to think, we have to apply that concept in the real time scenarios, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
The student
Correct, sir.
mindset is when you are learning something, where we are going to utilize this. That is the biggest question what there in student minds. Okay. So by
Hmm.
using this application, this is a simple application. So once if the complete core Java completed, if I am developing this application, in this application, multiple concepts are included. Like we will develop a class, So we will use regular expressions, we will use exception handling. So we will create multi-threading application. Like n number of tools will be included in this. So once almost 1.5 hours we are going to spend to develop this application. Once if it is completed, in the student mind, sir, what concepts we are learned and how we are utilizing that in a small project, they came to know. Finally, when we are developing a big applications, it will be helpful. Got it?
Okay. For the
Clear?
developing the big, yeah. You mean to say for developing the big application, we need to, I mean, we have to have a knowledge of small application, how to develop it. Is that the one you are
Yes,
saying?
yes. See, directly if you are going for a big application, you on a project, what will happen?
Mhm.
You can't understand the flow of control, right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you have already developed or if someone explained the project, then what will happen? You will get some idea. I think this is the scenario is happening in every college, sir. In the final year, they will have a project, right?
Yes.
So why they are having project these things? Because to see what is happening in the outside. So is it possible to meet that requirements or not by developing a small applications? So this will come in this basic Java package. We are going to see the same in different environments. So one is from the command prompt, how I am executing Java programs. Second one, how to develop a small screen. In these two phases, you can run the application only in your system. But if I use a servlets, JSP, JDBC, okay, then what will happen? You can create a web service. So once if my laptop is connected to LAN, multiple persons can access that. In the final year projects, in the final year, when we are taking these frameworks and all, we are going to show how it is going to work. They will interact in their system and the data will come to the server. Like that, we will show practically so that they will get some idea how it is going to work internally. Got it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir, any other questions? Please confirm any other questions.
No, sir.
Can I run the same program? I mean, can I develop the same program by using third phase? What is the third phase? Third phase is by using advanced Java. If you take advanced Java, how it will be. So, can I show the diagram for please confirm every.
Sir, just now you showed for the second phase, right, sir? What you said? The second or first?
First phase and second phase. Sir, in
Okay.
the first phase, what is happening? From the input screen we are reading the data. That means what? So from the command prompt we are reading the data. Means here you will supply. Okay, in second phase what will happen? We are going to use some GUI screen, some screens we will develop. Through that I will give. But in the third case what will happen? We are deploying the entire thing in a server, sir. Sir, if you are clear, I will take that one also so that you will get clarity. Can I go for another program? I mean,
Yes,
another
sir.
diagram. Please confirm
Yes,
everyone.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now observe. So what is that diagram he explaining? Listen carefully. See, first thing, I will develop one program, sir. What is the name of this program? Is so something like registration. Yeah. So I am taking some registration. See, font size is this. registration. Yes. What is the first field? Array, can you please give your name? Can you please give your subject 1 marks? Can you please your subject 2 marks? Can you please give your subject 3 marks? So dot 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 like that it will be there. Sir, how it is going to be displayed? In the form of boxes, sir. Something like checkbox we are going, I mean, some box we are going to give to enter the data. Okay. So like this, we will prepare one application, and at
Sir, you're not audible, sir. Is this for me or like is this for everyone?
going to give. Sir, once if you click on this submit, what will happen? The content is going to be submitted to the database, like that we are going to take. So then here I'm going to give something like a cancel, something like a cancel, something like this I'm giving. So what will happen? If you click this, the data won't be submitted. Like that we are going to develop one application. This is nothing but the first page. Sir,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir. Couldn't hear you. Am I audible?
one is to explain the structure, another one is to give some colorful interfaces. Okay, sir, if you click that submit button, sir, that button is going to turn into green color. Some animations will be there, like that I will display by using CSS. What is JavaScript is doing? Sir, in previous diagram I have shown, sir, something like in the previous diagram, if you observe, sir, for validation purpose we are using regular expressions, right? Sir, here don't go for Java regular expressions. My JavaScript will do that. Okay, whenever you are giving name as a K followed by some dot, immediately it will give red color box saying name should not contain any special characters, like that. So this is the first page we will develop. Sir, any questions? Please confirm. Sir, any questions? Please confirm.
So just to confirm, like sometimes your voice is breaking, sir. Is it for only for me? Like, is it for everyone? Because whatever you explained, right, sir, suddenly, just now, like we are
Hmm.
not able to. I mean, I'm
Yes.
not able to hear. Is this for everyone? Like, just to
Sir,
confirm
everyone,
this.
please confirm. Is there any problem with my network? Everyone
Yes,
receiving?
yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking, right, from long time. I was just wanted to confirm
Yeah,
because
yeah.
he's
Maybe from your side some network issue will be there. Even my side also there is some small network issue is there, sir, because here some full rains are happening. That's why. Okay.
yeah. I think, sir, yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Sir, clear everyone. Any questions on this first page? Only diagrams I am showing. Sir, clear everyone.
Yes, sir, clear. Sir.
Right. Sir, after developing this page, what is the next step? Sir, the next step is, so we will prepare one more page, one more application we will prepare. What is that is nothing but some like process dot, okay, process dot Java. Sir, what is this page? This is, I am telling, servlet page, sir. I am preparing one servlet page. Sir, this servlet page, what content you are going to take? Okay, sir, this servlet page main intention is to prepare the business logic. Sir, what is business logic? Business logic in the sense business logic, or I can say processing logic. Sir, what is this processing logic? Sir, here we are going to do all calculations, like, sir, calculate total marks. Sir, how to calculate a percentage?
So your voice is not audible. Is this only for me? Like, are you able to hear? Can anyone confirm?
For
Yes.
everyone, not clear.
Everyone confirm? Sir, am I audible?
Sir, I think your
Sir,
network is
everyone, please
visible.
confirm. Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah. Now you are audible, sir.
Yeah,
Actually, I
yeah.
think
I think there is
today
some
your
problem.
network is bit visible. It is coming
Yeah,
and
yeah,
going.
yeah, yeah. So my network is somewhat issue.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir.
Clear? Please confirm now. Is the diagram is clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
can you please
So
explain from
yeah,
this?
yeah. I will revise one more time.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. I will explain one more thing. Sir, don't worry. Maximum I will try to wind up in few minutes. Why? Because today some network issue is there here. Okay. So now you can see what is the next phase is process.java. I am going to develop one Java program. What is the name of that Java program? Process.java. It is a servlet page. So which contains all calculations like how to calculate a total marks, how to calculate a percentage of marks, how to calculate a grade. That calculation and all, that business logic or processing logic and all we will do here. Okay. So once if you complete this application, what will happen? So from this application to this application, the redirection is going to be happen. This is the first phase, sir. So once if you deploy, okay, in the HTML, once if you click submit button, then what will happen? It will take all the data whatever you have entered, it will give to this particular page. This particular page will do all the calculations. Okay, sir, after doing all the calculations, what it will do? It will write that data to the database. Again database will come into the picture. Okay, so whatever data you are going to submit, that data is going to be given to database again. This is nothing but second phase. So this is nothing but a first phase what we have, and this is nothing but a second phase what we have. Sir, up to this, any questions? Please confirm. Sir, everyone, please confirm. Clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
I need response from everyone. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, now there is one more page I am going to develop here. So what is that page is? Sir, some HTML page. Of course, it is not HTML because the data is keep on changing, right? I will take result.jsp. Sir, JS, Java server pages. So here the result will be displayed. The result will be displayed. From where this result is coming? Sir, after calculation and all, we are going to store this data inside the database, right? So again, the data will come from here. This is nothing but third phase what we have. So there are three phases in this. In the first phase, you are going to give the URL on the web browser. Once if you finish by entering the data, it will give the data to process.java, where it will process all the calculations. Then it will give the data to database. Database will preserve that data. Whenever you are requesting the result, that entire result will come. You can display all results at a time, or you can prepare one more HTML page to ask hall ticket number. Based on that hall ticket number, you can display, like you can do n number of things. Sir, everyone clear up to this? Please confirm. Do you have any queries? Sir, any
No.
queries? Please confirm. Right, sir. So with this, I am going to stop this session. Okay, and so tomorrow going to continue. So tomorrow I will explain the JavaScript. So after that, already completed data types topic, right? So let me start another topic like, so what are the basic softwares required to run Java application? Okay, that part I am going to explain tomorrow. So any questions for this? And please confirm me those who are interested to continue basic Java package. Okay, please confirm or please give your names on the chat window. not for Java. Those who are willing to continue for basic Java package, please put it on chat window.